Hi there, friends. This is Mrs. Truesteele talking today about All About Books, asking and answering questions. All About Books are full of information, as we have learned, and now that we have published our books and we have been practice reading our books to our partners, I want us to get ready for our visitors who are going to come and listen to us in a different way today. Those visitors might have questions after we read our books to them, and I want us to be prepared to answer any questions that they have. All About Books are informational texts. The information in books can answer questions, but it can also make new questions arise, as we heard Gail Gibbons talk about in her All About the Author page. Here's my Did You Know page. There's lots of facts on this page, so I wanted to show it to you because that might be a good starting point for some questions. And here are some questions that I wrote that I thought might help you get started asking questions to your partner. These are by no means the only questions you can ask, but if you get stuck, you can ask these questions and questions like them. Why did you choose this topic? What did you learn while writing this book? What was your favorite part to write? How do you know so much about this topic? Have you ever? Do you own a? When did you become interested in your topic? Now, as you may have guessed, every question isn't appropriate for every book. Do you own a might be appropriate for All About Pets. Do you own a pet? Do you own a dog? Do you own a cat? But it might not be appropriate for a different All About book. So we really have to use our noggins and make sure that we're using questions that make sense. So what I want you to do now is with your partner that you've been listening to their book over the last couple of days. With them, I want you to ask them some questions about their book and wait to hear their response. And then I want you guys to switch roles and them to ask you questions and for you to answer. Remember when you're answering to use a part of the question in your answer. For example, if somebody asked me, why did you choose this topic? I wouldn't say why, because that's the question word, but I would say, I chose this topic because I like fall and I like apples. Just saying because is not enough. We have to use a part of the question. So go ahead and turn to your partner and ask questions and answer questions about your books. And your time will start now. Okay, so when you're answering and asking questions during our big expert expo, remember that good writers, their writing, it generates questions and it answers questions.